to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. If you're new here, hello, welcome. So today's video is a mystery unboxing. I don't know what's in the box, but we're gonna find out. I know one thing because my son has been nagging me for it for the longest, so I know what one item is, but the rest I don't know. So yeah, let's just get straight into unboxing it. Again, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Join the channel. So here it is. It feels quite heavy. I can show you because I scribbled out my address. But yeah, it is quite heavy. I did open the sides. Oh, yeah, I did open the sides. So let's just get this opened and see what's in there. I'm excited. Like I said, I know it's from the store Candymail. That's where it's from, Candymail. But I don't know what they put in there. It's a surprise. But yeah, hoping it's something that I like. I hope it's something nice. Something that I like. Please make it be something that I like. Okay, so this is the presentation of the box. So it's like that. So this is the presentation. Back out a bit so you can see. Yes, it's just that. And let's go straight into it. So we got some Jolly Ranchers hard candy. Oh, sorry, I knew this as well because my son wanted this. My son's been nagging me for these. So Jolly Ranchers hard candy. I got that. There's a ring pop again for my son. And then this is what my son's been nagging me about. If you have kids, then you would understand. Prime. This was gonna be the death of my son. This Prime. My son has been nagging me for Prime, and I says to him, no way I'm spending £10 on a drink. And this is on sale on here. I think it was for £6. Still expensive, but okay, I'm willing to stretch to that because he's been moaning, saying all his friends have got it, he ain't had it, so now he's got it. Now he can leave me alone. I've got fruit roll-ups, a giant Krabby Patty, and then 2 of the Bubbaloo. Oh, I used to love these. It's a chewing gum. It's a chewing gum, and it's got like the juice inside. And then there's 2 of these cream sweets. Mum used to buy us these as well when I was younger. And then 2 Kool-Aid jammy drinks, tropical punch in here. And then here we've got another box, so you can see it's another box. So I'm going to put this box down and then show you this one. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. So this is the mystery box. We've got peach drink. I'll give it a go. I'll give this a go. I don't know if I'm going to like this, but I'll give it a go. Peach drink. We've got, I don't know what this is. I think it's like a biscuit or wafer. Biscuit or wafer. Pikachu. Pokemon. It's like a biscuit or wafer. I don't know. We've got what is it? Takis. Now, oh God. Wait, is this the... This is the hot chili, pepper and lime flavour. Now, these are spicy and I don't like spicy things. Like, I I cannot stand spice. So, I don't know. Although it says it's not that hot, so I suppose I'll give it a go. If I don't like it, then I'm going to give this to my sister because I know she likes this. So, yeah. We've got some popping candy. Oh, I like this. I have this. Fudgy Wudgy. It's like a fudge bar. I'm not gonna like that. We got some dweebs, watermelon and cherry. I like this. We got now and later watermelon. I don't know what it is. I think it's like sweets, some little now and later sweets type thing. My son would want this water gun. It's a water gun and it's got sweets on top. So my son can have that. Top Pops Chewy Taffy Candy Pop. I'll have that. We've got Toxic Waste, Nuclear, what is it, Sludge? Oh my god. Ultra sour flavour. So it's sour. Oh my gosh. We got some Sweethearts ropes. Sweetheart ropes. Okay. I'll try that. Sour Patches, the watermelon. I like them. We've got Caramel Koala. Again, I will have that. We've got the Milky Bar. We've got a Milky Bar. Or someone has that. And then just saw like 3 of these little what's it called? Juicy Drops sweets. And yeah. And that is everything. I'm gonna have one of these. But yeah then guys, that's everything. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I just wanted to show you guys what I got because it was a mystery. I didn't know like what was in there, so I was excited and I wanted to show you guys. So yeah. But guys, remember to subscribe, remember to like and comment. Tell me which one's your favourite sweets. Tell me which one is your favourite sweet. Until the next video guys, I'll see you all very soon. Bye.